Okay, the purpose of this lab is to show the relationship between a G4 flow computer and an NGC chromatograph. So what we're looking at here on the right is the FCU, and over here on the left is the NGC. And so I just want to show you the setup connections for both. So on the left, if I go to NGC interface, okay, and I'm running stream 1 right now, so you can see that the stream values have updated. I'm going to open this up and go to Setup, and you can see it's grabbing the source app. This should all be set up for you from the factory. I'm going to jump over to component mapping, and these are the components that are coming back, and communications. And right now he's set up on port 2 serial Modbus slave ASCII 32-bit Totalflow RS-45 9600 7 even and 1. So I jump over to the flow computer side, and we'll go down to communications. You can see he's set up on COM2 serial Modbus host ASCII 32-bit Totalflow 485 9600 7 even and 1, so they match up. Okay. Okay, underneath setup, under Therms Master, right now I'm set up for using ABB NGC or Daniels 2251. We could use a BTU 8000, the older GC. So right now I'm connected to an NGC, and I want to use cycle time as a trigger to update. I went ahead and enabled 3001, 7001, and 7017, so this should grab all the registers that are coming back. And I set it up to use stream number 1. That's the stream I'm set up on right now. Okay. Back on the NGC side, like I said, I've got it running stream 1. Okay, so the NGC is set for 10/07/2010, and you can see we're actually running right now on stream 1. And if I come back over to the flow computer side on Therms Master, and you can see we have time and date stamp 10/7/2010. Stream 1 is what it's reading. Right now the status is normal with polls, 1000 polls, 0 errors, and you can see my component list is updating. And now to attach this to the stream. Before I do that, I'm going to show you on Therms Master under current values. If I drop down to X help, click on that. This just gives me an introduction to Therms and a background on Therms. And then we've got a couple of scenarios down here at the bottom. This is an NGC connected to 2 flow computers, one set for Therms Master, one set for Therms Slave. I want to show you the wiring. Okay, right here we've got the NGC. We're coming off of COM2, 6, 7 and ground, so bus plus and bus minus, coming directly over to 12 and 13 on the XFC COM2. This is the same way I have mine wired. Okay, so when you're in PCCU, just go down to the X help under Therms and look for the wiring. And that was on the flow computer side. Now if you drop down to flow measurement under my AGA3 app, and I go to analysis, and jump over to the Therms Setup tab, and right now I'm running stream 1, so I want to choose that from the list. My stream ID by default is 4 1s. My Modbus ID is 1. And my source app, this is where it's the source that Therms Master's turned on. So I need to go ahead and send this and go check what application Therms Master is instantiated. So back to FCU, back to applications. And we need to scroll down or click the help button and find where Therms Setup. Okay, so we can see Therms Setup for application 46. So back to analysis. Under Therms Setup, application 46, and send it. Okay, I'm going to jump back over to the Analysis tab. Use Live Analysis now. We would set this to yes. And send it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and reread this. And notice everything changed to use Therms. And now we should be able to go back to Live Analysis data. And notice we have 10/7/2010 and the values came back. So now it would use this analysis from stream 1 over here on the left. Are going to get plugged directly into my analysis tube on my Flow computer. So this concludes Therms for G4 Flow computer.